engineer James Okoro. Alright, let's go ahead and look at how to connect your flow switch using a contactor. Okay, so I'm doing this so that I can have the diagram of that one. So we are looking at connection using a contactor. How to connect this flow switch using a contactor. To do that, we say this happens to be your live and supply. Maybe you connected alongside to a breaker that can maybe 220 volts supply. And we connected with a breaker, maybe 2-volt breaker. And you see that instead of trying to connect this directly to the pumping machine, you bring a contactor. Let's say that you are dealing with 3-pole contactor. Maybe L1, L2, L3. Maybe T1, T2, T3. Why these and these are open, 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 and this is one contactor. Now this contactor has a coil, which we call the A1 and A2. So what we do, we supply this to this, supply this to this, meaning that their output will be from T1 and T3. So if you have our pumping machine this way, single phase pumping machine, and this pumping machine happens to be in single phase pumping machine, pitch live and motor. They can connect this to this and connect this to this, right? Now the control part of it is very simple. To control with what? The flow switch. What we do, we connect, because if this happens to be the coil of this contactor, which is labeled A1 and A2. So if this is A1 and this is A2, so if this happens to be the coil of the contactor, what do we do there? We have to connect this. So if this is the tank of your building, and you have the flow switch inside, and the flow switch comes with the 3 wires, which are the common low wire and high wire. What do you do? First, you connect this L1 down to A1, remaining A2 for it to trigger. Then what you do, you connect from this L3 down to the common. This is the common wire, then the low wire and the high wire. Then we connect from the low wire down to A2 of the conductor. With this, if there's no water in the tank, automatically this flow switch will pump water to the tank, because the live wire has gone to A1 and the low wire, the neutral wire, have to obey the route of the flow switch before it can energize the conductor for this pumping machine to work. I mean, in James Okoro, it's my duty to teach you automation and how everything that concerns automation works. At James Okoro Technical Institute, we train on solar energy and inverter installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, smart home automation, and everything that concerns electrical. Right? We teach on AutoCAD designs. Okay, so you can call us on the number you see on the screen now, or you call us on 070-3818-7748. Our address is at number 1 Alabede Street, Yanopaja, Lagos State. You have accommodation for people that are coming from families. You can always come to our institute. Also, bear in mind that everything that we teach here are purely practical. I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.